Hello everyone. So today we're going to do how to install Servlet or how to get IntelliJ ready for Servlets. So let's try first. We're gonna go to download Tomcat, which is right here. I'm gonna download the 10. This is a brand new installation, so you might have to bear with me. So since this is a Mac, I'm gonna download the zip from here. So hopefully it won't take long. My internet's a little slow, so we'll see how long it takes. It's going. Just bear with me. Yeah, so that's it. In downloads, just go to IntelliJ, and as you can see, I have all this. This is an ultimate, but it doesn't make a difference in the way that it's set up. So if I go to new project, and then we're gonna go to Modern, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put Tomcat setup. So I'm gonna just get this there. The archetype, we're gonna use the web app, the last one. Just make sure that when you are starting this project, you do web app. And I think for that, Java, yeah, it's gonna go to my folder here. So I'm gonna create for now. So we get going. So now it's gonna download the dependencies. I don't want to download this, so let's just wait for this to download everything. Let's see how this is going. I think it's full, so I'm gonna go show in folder, and this I'm gonna just put it in software. Okay, I'm gonna extract it here. So now I have this. I'm gonna just send this to bin. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to IntelliJ. Let's see if it's still downloading the dependencies. Yeah, it's not done yet. So we'll wait a little bit longer until it finishes downloading. And in the meantime, we're going to go and get from the settings, we need a plugin. And here you're gonna type smart Tomcat. Or maybe, let's see, Tomcat Tommy. Okay, so for you might be different because this is an ultimate again. The plugin that you will need to download, it's I have it already downloaded, installed. Let's see if I can get the other one. Smart Tomcat. Just so yeah, we're gonna download this one. I have the other one, but let's also download this one. So we'll wait. As you can see, it's still creating the project. So now should have have this installed. That's the plugin. Let's close this and let's wait a little bit longer. Dependencies, let's see what the POM is. So we have all these. It's taking longer than what I anticipated. Okay. It depends on the internet also. Depends on how fast your internet is. Mine is not as great in the area that I am in. so it takes a little bit longer for all the downloads to finish. So let's see. Once you're watching this, you can just skip forward, so you don't have to watch all these downloads happening. Let me see how we are on this. Oh, it's getting there. Okay. So we got 4 minutes left according to the timer based on my internet speed. So again, you can just skip forward. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll return when everything is downloaded. So everything has finished downloading, and now we are going to edit the configuration for how to run this. So we're gonna go to configuration. I'm gonna make it a little big. We're gonna add a new configuration, and from here you can pick uh, Tomcat server local. Uh, so here you will give it a name. I'm gonna put Tomcat runner, and then from here I don't have any, so I'm gonna configure where my Tomcat is. So my Tomcat setup. Uh, Let me see where it is. Let me go to desktop, software, Apache, and this is where it is. So I'm gonna keep it there. It's 10.0, and the local host, I'm gonna change it to something like a different host. Deployment. Okay, so deployment, we're gonna add Artigraph. We're gonna war exploded. And then we're gonna go here, and let's just remove this to keep it /. I don't think we need anything else. Tomcat localhost, IntelliJ branch server. Let me see default. I'm gonna use Chrome as default, and be an option restart default. I think that's about it. Let's click on OK, and now let's run this. Permission denied. Okay, let me just see what the permission deny it's about. So the issue was that I didn't have enough permissions, so I had to. I'll put this in the description, so you can I'll run these commands and give permissions to Tomcat. So now that I have the permissions, I'm gonna go back to IntelliJ. I'm gonna stop the server and I'm gonna rerun it, and I should be able to go. And this is what I have, and where this comes from, it's from this file right here. So if I put hello world, how to IT. So if I save this, I'm gonna rerun the server, restart. Okay, so this is how at least for now is running. All right, and I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, just let me know.